Hey guys, welcome to another video tutorial at the White Coat Trainer. Today we're going to be going over the barbell row. Oftentimes when people perform this exercise, they are doing it from various back angles, ranges of motion, and they use significant amounts of momentum. Today we're going to go over a hybrid between the Pendlay row and the barbell row. Approach an Olympic barbell that is set to the desired weight. Set your stance as shoulder width with your feet pointing forward, and bend down and grab the bar just outside of your legs. This is similar to the starting position of the conventional deadlift. Make sure that your back remains flat throughout the entire exercise. When looking from the side, your back should pretty much be parallel to the floor. Squeeze your lat muscles, take a breath, and begin lifting the bar off the floor as if you are performing a deadlift. Once the bar has cleared the ground, begin rowing the barbell up towards your upper abdomen. You can initiate the row by driving your elbows up towards the ceiling and then retracting your scapula together. Once the bar has made contact with your body, controlly reverse the movement back down to the floor. Your spine should never change its alignment, and your back angle should never go past 45 degrees. It is important to reset and put the barbell back down on the floor for every single repetition. It is okay to use some momentum, but you can get carried away with this. Again, if your back angle is changing more than 45 degrees, the weight is too heavy. To see a full written description, go to thewhitecoattrainer.com/index. Thanks for watching and subscribe if you haven't already.